Hello and welcome to another episode of Retro Cars Reborn. I'm Lee. This is one really dusty 1984 Ford Capri, which I'm continuing doing the bodywork on, as you can see. Still not got to these bits yet, but hopefully today we are going to get to lay some primer down. And I'll just show you what primer I decided to go with. It's a high coat, the perfect finish since 1982, so pretty appropriate for a 1984 Capri, and it was cheap, fast drying as well. 30 tins for, was it 50 tins? 50 tins for 30 something quid, eBay. I will put link in the description. So with that, let's spray this. Nice. Invest in some quality duct tape. Well, it looks so much better than it did before. Not amazing, but so much better. Next time, some quality duct tape might help. That was a disaster. I'm pretty happy with that. Looks pretty decent. Looks way better. Way better than it did. Bit of an epic fail when spraying it, but this is one day later. Looks pretty decent. There's some little bits, little blemishes and whatever, but I'm not too fussed about that. It'll be all hidden with the black paint anyway. But yeah, pretty happy with that. So we now know that Ford did use grey primer underneath the black cars, which is quite good really. Seems as I ordered pretty much all grey primer, so did pretty well there. Sanding. This is the stage we've got to. Not too bad. It just takes a hell of a long time. Credit to the guys that do this day in, day out. I don't know how you do it. So, this is the final finished sanding block anyway. Started with 120, moved to 275. Then to 320, then to 500, then to 600, and then to 1,500. I can go a bit more, but it's never going to be perfect. So I'll go ahead now and I'll clean all this down, mask it up, do a better job of masking it up hopefully than the back anyway. And then we'll get into putting some primer on this bad boy. I've got some good quality duct tape this time. It's a lot thinner than the last lot, but it is some good quality. As you can see, it masks to pretty much anything, which is amazing. So pay that a little bit extra for some decent, I say duct tape, masking tape, and you'll get a better result. So, on with the primer. Well, it doesn't look too bad straight out of the bat, does it? Oh, I nearly emptied the entire can now. Oh, right then, we shall revisit that tomorrow evening when I get back from work, and I'll have a look at the result. So this is the second day. As you can see, it's still looking pretty good. Soon be ready to sand it back and get a finishing coat on. So yeah, I think I made some decent progress. I'll have another quick look around the back as well, because that's been a couple of days now since it was last done. Yeah, still looking good. I'm kind of pleased with how it's going. I mean, it's not going to be amazing, but yeah, it looks absolutely sound. Got to move on to this piece now. Finish feathering this bit in. Finish feathering in the arch, and it'll look good. So yes, I think I'll leave it there for you. Finally getting some primer on is pretty good. It's taken a lot longer than I thought it would do, but again, probably because I'm not 100% sure on what I'm doing. Just following the Haynes manual, the bodywork one. It's about £12. If you're reinvested, if you want to invest in doing some bodywork yourself, it's a good read. It's a good read. So yeah, want to subscribe? Please do. Comment down below. That'd be sound. Some thumbs up would be even better as well. And I'll see you in the next one.